through how to fill this passport renewal form of India at outside India, or you can say Indian embassies and consulate. Okay. So the very first thing I would suggest here you is to select the region. So we'll select Americas if you're in Canada. All countries came, I select on Canada. Now it opens second page. Okay. Now this is to deliver passport services. Okay. So how to apply? First, we are going to click on register, login with ID password. Okay. Okay. And then you will click on the link for a new application. After submission, take a printout of the online submitted form. Okay. All right. So we'll start with registration. So you need to select your embassy consulate. Yeah. You need to select your country and based on your jurisdiction. I'm just selecting it. Name. Given name is mandatory. Surname is not. But if you have provide date of birth, login ID is in, as email ID, password, confirm password, hint question, character. So I'm gonna fill this like I'm gonna get through this like I have someone Indian citizen. I can take their help and I'm gonna pass through this step and then I'll show you this guys. So stay with me. Okay, so what happens after you register, you get a link and I took help from someone and then you can log in using that link. I mean, you need to click on activate. So I'm going to ask them to log in and then I will show you the next steps. So here we have come. Okay. So they have also clarified the process that after you submit the form, you will take the required supporting documents print out and then go to the embassy consulate like as I had shown you. And then you need to follow their relevant process. So you have so many options here. So of course, like renewal, you are going, we'll go from here. So fresh passport reissue. So if you are like renewal, we'll go for this. Reissue reason, change in validity expired within 3 years due to expire. Okay. Type of application, normal Tatkal. Which kind you want? Click on next. Okay. So you need to fill some like information. Can I show you other pages? No. I'm just trying to give information. Okay, this is sample, guys. Of course, I'm not going to submit this. Like we'll kill the application, will not submit it, but just to give you an option way how to do this. Gender. Have you ever been known the names? No. Have you ever changed your name? No. Date of birth. Is your baby out of India? Select no. Matters citizenship of India by birth, whatever. And they have asked all this information. Voter ID, PAN card. And if you have, definitely provide. Government servant is eligible for non-ECR category. Aadhaar number, mark, send. Okay, save. They have information. Next, family details, applicant address details, emergency contact, previous passport details, other details, passport preview. So you have to go through it. So I'm just going to put some sample details. Okay, do it as per your guess. Status, single, employment type. Let me see if I can go to educational qualification. Where did I miss it? Oh, here, mandatory question. Family details. This is not mandatory. Can I bypass it? But you provide it. I'm just the sample video, so I'm doing this. Okay. Father given name, mother given name, legal. Okay, I'm just putting sample. Peter, Rana, ठीक है, if applicable. Presence of at Indian address. Okay. Applicant address detail. Is the passport out of India? Yes. Indian address for police verification. Region, country where you are. So I'll select sample, guys. Address line, village, town, city, zip code, country. I'll just say so TTT. Mobile number. Is your other address outside of India? Because we selected here Canada, that's why. So now they're asking for some details. I'll just put sample. You do your guess. Wow. House number. Village. Sample, guys. Specify India's passport printable address. Now I'm leaving printing special foreign address and passport. Emergency contact details. Wow. Name, phone number. George Smith. Mobile number. Okay. Next. In the days of latest or existing lost damage, ordinary passport. Can I bypass? Have you ever applied for passport but not issued? I'm just bypassing it, but you provide all the. Oh, can't. You can get these details from your passport, so just don't go by what I'm doing here. Other details. Are you proceeding? Now criminal proceeding information and refuse denied passport, convicted by a court. If you have applied or if you have granted foreign citizenship. And then in the next section, you are going to review and then final verification. So I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to our channel. I mean, after you do, take a printout and the steps I have already shown you earlier in the video how to go and apply. Now, just to walk you through,